everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a tutorial and I am focusing mostly on two products that this really cool brand sent me. So the company's name is SYZYGY. SYZYGY. It's really cool. The packaging is really awesome. So they sent me a few products. They sent me their new Comet Crush Chameleon Glow eyeshadow palette, which, I mean, come on. That packaging is to die for. And it looks a little something like this. It is 6 duochrome shadows. And I did use about 3 of them. I'll swatch the other ones for you guys here in a moment. But they sure are pretty. And then it comes with this little piece of cardstock in there, and I will read to you what it says. So just a little bit about the company itself. As the first trademark that features chameleon glow products in the cosmetics market, SYZYGY, with special, innovational, and highly recognizable characteristics, has changed the way people use single color to makeup, leading the cutting edge of beauty trends in the future. Inspired by the colorful and mysterious Nebula, SYZYGY products possess transformable colors at different angles. They go beyond everyday cosmetics to give you a powerful makeup experience and bring out your distinctive beauty in a unique way. From formal occasions to nightclub parties, you will undoubtedly betray chic in our galaxy. That's cute. They say that if you use your fingers, you will get more pigmentation out of the shadows. I did not use my fingers, and they're still bomb. So I can only imagine what they look like with the fingers. And then they also sent me 2 of their liquid lip colors. So these are the 2 they sent me. I used the one on the bottom today. They also sent me this one, which is kind of like a pinkish orange kind of color, but they're very duochromed. Like, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but this one on the top shifts from pink to orange, and then this one on the bottom shifts from like orange to green to blue. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch the 3 colors that I did not use. I did use the green one on my lid today. I used this bluish purple one on my lower lash line, and I used the white one in the inner corner of my eye, and I even used it to highlight my face a little bit today too. So let's swatch the other colors. This one is really, really cool. I was thinking about using this one, but I ended up wanting to go pretty green today. This one looks red, but when you turn it, it looks orange. It's really cool. So let's swatch it. I'm not very good at swatches, guys, so bear with me. Oh, that one is so pretty. It is super orange and red shifted, so it changes from red to orange. Very pretty. That one was called Halo. Then we have this one called Phosphene, and it looks like a gray color. That one is very sheer, very light, and it is like a silver kind of color. I don't know if you can catch that. And the last color is Nova. Woo-wee! This one reminds me of a MAC. The little glitters, the little pigments in the jars. It reminds me of one of those. It's like a brownish, reddish color, but it has like a blue sheen to it. It's so pretty. But yeah, these are really pretty colors to put on top of matte shades, to wear by themselves. I put them on top of a cream-based product for my eyes, and then the same with my lower lash line. You will see as I get into the tutorial. Their website is syzygcosmetics.com if you'd like to go check them out. Right now they just have the palette on their website, and they have 6 different colors of the Comet Crush liquid lip colors. They have Crazy Peach, Halo Clusters, Phantom Assassin, and Moony Woods. The 2 colors I have, the one I have on my lips is called Chatoyant Stone. And the other one that I did not put on today is called Twilight Tavern. The names are so cute. I can't even deal with it. Oh, look at that lip color. I wanted it to transfer more green, so I put on a green liquid lipstick before I put on their lip color, because I wanted it to be a true green. But I'm living for this look. And for those of you who are cruelty-free, they are a cruelty-free line. They do have the bunny ears logo on the back of their packaging and on their website as well. Just something I thought I should throw in there for those of you who are cruelty-free. Anyways, if you guys would like to watch and see how I created this very green kind of, I don't even know what you would call this look, I don't even know. It's cute though. Anyways, if you guys would like to see how I created this look and how I used my SYZYGY products, then please keep watching. Thanks, guys. Starting this tutorial off, I am priming my lids first, as always, with my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. It's just my favorite. It just holds shadows so well and makes them stay all day long, literally. To start off the eyeshadow, I'm using my Kat Von D Pastel Goth palette, and I'm actually going to be dipping into the shade Star first, and then I'll be going in with the shade Gloom, which is a dark green color. I'm just taking a big fluffy brush and using Star as my transition shade. So yellow is basically closest to green in the color family. It's the best way to transition to green, at least, so that's why I use it as a transition shade. Then I took Gloom just right in the crease very lightly, and now I am taking my Kat Von D Super Brow Lemmy Green Pomade, and I'm packing this on my lid. I actually love her pomades for cream bases for eyeshadows. So I used Scarlet, the red one, the other day as a base for red eyeshadow, and it was poppin', y'all. Oh my god. Then I'm taking the Comet Crush palette from SYZYGY, and I'm going to be packing this green shade called Chatoyant right on top of the cream base that we just put down. And first I just did it dry, and then I actually did go in with a setting spray to spray the brush to see what the difference was, and honestly, it's really good either way. I started taking the shade Gloom again and just going right in the crease to make sure everything was nice and blended and everything transitioned well, and it was all nice and smooth. Then I went back in with more of that Chatoyant shade. It also says, like I mentioned in the beginning, that you can use these shadows with your fingers as well. I did not try that out, but I'm sure they're amazing. Then I'm just taking a black shadow and putting that on the outer corner of my eye and a little bit in my crease. I just felt like some definition was missing from the eye, so I really wanted to define the crease and deepen it up a little bit. I'm just going in very light-handed with the black shadow. And I do go back and forth with the black and with the Gloom color from the Pastel Goth palette, just to make sure everything's nice and blended. For my face, I am using my All Nighter foundation from Urban Decay. I didn't show my priming process. I've done that in a lot of videos. You guys can go back and look at my other videos to see that. I'm just using my Beauty Blender to apply that as well. And for concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I actually just started using this, and I really, really like it a lot. I am more on the oily side though, guys, at least in those areas where I apply concealer at. I'm like oily and to normal. Sometimes my skin can get dry because it's really, really dry in Denver. But besides that, my skin's pretty oily to normal. And then I am setting everything with my Nye Neutral Set Powder, like always. For contouring today, I'm taking my Shade and Light Contour Palette, and I'm using these first two shades right here. And I am taking my Sigma contour brush to do this. It's my favorite brush to contour with. I'm just contouring them cheeks, because I got some big old cheeks, my jawline, and I'm also contouring my forehead. And for blush, I'm taking my Sigma Aura Powder. This is in the shade Pet Name. It's just the prettiest peach blush ever. It's just so perfect for my complexion. I love it. It's just not too much, you know, but it's a little something. Then I like to take powder underneath that contour just to make sure it's nice and sharp.
Going in with the shade Dope, I'm using this for my lower lash line. I'm just applying this all over the lower lash line first, just to smoke it out and create that base. I love the shades green and purple together. And then I am taking this shade Nebula. It looks kind of blue, but once you start applying it, it shifts to purple. It's really, really pretty. So I just applied that right on top of the purple shadow we did. And then I'm going in with the shade Mockmoon, which is a white shadow that flips over to a very pretty iridescent blue. So I just got that wet with a setting spray and I'm packing that on my inner corner. I use it for my brow bone highlight a little bit as well. And then I'm taking the shade Star again and just smoking out the outer edges of my eye to make sure everything's nice and blended. Going in with this Mosaic Architect Lip Sculptor Pencil from LA Cosmetics. Woo! That was a mouthful. I am just using that for my waterline today. It is a lip liner, but I loved the color and wanted to put it in my waterline instead. For mascara, I'm using my Milk Cosmetics Kush mascara, and I am curling them lashes first. I'm not doing any eyeliner with this look. I'm just doing lashes. And I'm actually super obsessed with this mascara. So something fun, kind of like a little fun fact, is a lot of mascaras are not vegan because they have beeswax in them. But Milk decided to put cannabis oil in there instead, and it made the mascara vegan. I am not vegan, but I thought that was kind of cool. Cool little fun fact. For lashes, I'm using my Huda Beauty Jade lashes. I just love Huda's lashes. They're some of my favorite ones out there. And these ones are really pretty because they are dramatic, but they're not like crazy, insane dramatic. And while the glue is kind of drying a little bit and getting tacky, I'm taking that Mockmoon shade with my Unicorn Cosmetics color changing brush. The handle changes colors. It's black, but when you put warmth on the handle, it turns orange. So cute, right? And I'm just using that shade to highlight my cheeks, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. And then I'm going to take my Tarte lash applicator and pop on those Huda lashes. Yes, ma'am, I love these lashes. And honestly, I can't live without these lash applicators. I don't know what I'd do without them. Then I'm just applying a little bit more mascara to blend everything together. I'm going to set my face using my Hangover spray from Too Faced, and I go crazy with this stuff. I just love it. It smells so good too. And for lips, I am using this shade called Envy from LA Cosmetics. It's from their Wickedly Divine Liquid Lipstick collection. And it is a very like foresty green color. And it has a little bit of a metallic shift to it, which is perfect because we are putting the SYZYGY lip color on top of it, and it is a color shifting shade. So like I mentioned in the beginning, I just wanted a true green lip. So that's why I applied green lipstick first and then put the SYZYGY on top. Taking the SYZYGY Comet Crush liquid lip color in Chatoyant Stone. It's so gorgeous, I can't even get over it, and I'm just going to apply that right on top. It is a liquid lipstick formula, but I am just doing a nice little sheer coat on top of that green. And it looks gorgeous. Oh my god. Yes. But that's the end of this tutorial, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!